Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Gcash error. Sorry, this service is temporary and unavailable. Please try again later. Now to fix this issue, first you just need to delete your app cache. So to do that, go to your phone settings. So go to home screen and find the phone settings. Now from here, you just need to scroll down and find apps and then tap on manage apps. And then from here, go to the search box right there at the top, and you just have to search for Gcash. So first, you just need to tap on the force stop option right here at the bottom left-hand corner, and then tap on clear data button at the bottom right-hand corner. And then here, clear cache, and then clear all data. Then once done, go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iOS device, and then search for Gcash app. So make sure that you have just install your Gcash app or the latest version of this Gcash. And then once done here, you just have to restart or reboot your phone. And once done, once you reopen your phone, go ahead and tap on Gcash. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.